morning, America. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. So we finally just got our next load assignment. We're going to head over to Dubuque, Iowa, to John Deere. Guess we're going to pick up a backloader or, you know, some kind of tractors or something. So I think we're going to pick up some kind of equipment, you know, like I said, tractors or tractor parts or whatnot. We're taking that over to, where are we going to? Taking that over to Cambridge, Ohio. So we got 11 a.m. to pick up, and we'll deliver tomorrow. It's pretty okay all night, so nothing, I mean, it's a short run. I mean, approximately 80 miles to Dubuque from Walcott. Then we got 560 miles to Cambridge. Just says new machinery, got 3 pieces, 38,747 pounds. So we're gonna get on I-80, head back east a little bit, jump on US 61. That'll take us right up to Dubuque. So, you know, just an easy run out there. We just won't have the ability to make it today. But we'll deliver in the morning tomorrow. And all right, we are going to leave. It is 8:45. We're going to be up at in Dubuque a little bit early. As soon as this power transport guy decides he wants to do more than 2 miles an hour. I mean, it's absolutely ridiculous to be driving that freaking slow. You don't have your seatbelt on, you're busy drinking, putting it up in the dash in front of your window. But as long as you're cautious, I mean, I guess as long as you're careful doing it, it's perfectly okay. No turn signal to make a to turn. Oh well. I guess he doesn't know how to find second gear. If you didn't want to leave, don't start driving. Oh, now you're gonna pick up speed? Oh, okay. Yeah, so we're on our way up to Dubuque. Go pick up 3 pieces from John Deere. Take that out to Ohio. We are just about 5 miles away. We are coming into Dubuque, Iowa. It just seems a little smaller than what I've always pictured. I've never been to Dubuque, so I really can't honestly say, you know, what it was. Always, you know, it just seems like a smaller town. You know, it's not a it's not like coming into Indianapolis or St. Louis. You know, It just has a smaller town feel, which I kind of like. Like I said, we're just about 5 miles away from the John Deere. I guess it's the factory. We will, get there, see if we can get loaded right away. And then we will roll on, baby, roll on.
Shut up and sit down. Shut up and sit down.
Finally came out and gave me the instructions to go over to where we need to be to get ourselves loaded. We are in line waiting, and it's starting to drizzle. It's already muddy as all get out around here and wet. I really don't want to get out and work in the rain, but that's the way it be. So we got these, we're picking up 3 skid steers. Little bobcat type jobbers, and they're going to be all covered with mud. So that's going to be fun. We got an unloading appointment tomorrow at 1:30. So we don't get a whole lot of time to, to rest, Well, we got a little bit of time, but not a whole lot. The window's kind of small. But that's the way it is. They're finally getting us loaded here. great. Why did it have to start to rain now? Ah, well. It's part of the game, right? Part of the game. They got 2 of them on there. Little Caterpillar track Bobcats. Now they're going to, I guess they're still fighting the last one to put on. I mean, they made this entryway here just a little bit narrower than it needed to be, not taking into account, you know, mirrors. And here comes the last one. Hopefully they turn it facing forwards. Now they're facing it backwards. And now we got to turn ourselves around. I guess we're going back out to the staging area up there where we were parked earlier. really don't have a lot of places to park, people to maneuver around in. We're gonna park up here as far out of the way as we can be, even though it's in the freaking water. So we'll put some boots on, put a coat on, and we'll see what we can do.